Matapos magbitiw sa pwesto ni Chot Reyes bilang head coach ng Gilas Pilipinas, sino nga ba ang papalit sa kanya para sa paparating na Hangzhou Asian Games? Yan ang tinutukan ni Rafael Bandayrel.
Inanunsyo ng PBA at ng Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas o SBP na si Tim Cone ng Barangay Ginebra, San Miguel ang magsisilbing bagong head coach ng Gilas Pilipinas para sa darating na Hangzhou Asian Games. Ito mismo ang inanunsyo ni SBP President Al Panlilio sa isang press conference kasama sina PBA Commissioner Willie Marcial, PBA Chairman Ricky Vargas, Barangay Ginebra Governor Al Francis Chua at syempre ang sentro ng atensyon na si Coach Cone.
Officials of the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas in the Philippine Basketball Association met last Monday the Diamond Makati residences to discuss Gilas Pilipinas' participation in the quadrennial meet. Mindful that time is of the essence for a competitive team to be assembled, no minute was wasted to persuade the PBA's winningest coach with the intervention of San Miguel Corporation President CEO Ramon S. Ang to reconsider his early position and handle the national team.
Maalalang nauna nang tinanggihan ni Cone ang pwestong ito matapos magretiro ni Reyes sa kanyang posisyon. Kaya ang tanong, paano nga ba nakumbinsi si Cone na talikuran ang una niyang desisyon?
I was the one I was most embarrassed for because I didn't want to follow Chut but he gave me his blessing. He told me that he felt I was the best guy for the job, so that's given me confidence to step up and do it. And these guys have been behind me all the way. Of course, Boss, RSA, and MVP, they have also said really nice things, and so I just really feel everybody has my back on this.
Hirit naman ni Chua, si Cone talaga ang #1 choice ng SBP na kapalit ni Reyes.
Yung dalawang yan, sabay dumating. Hindi pa nakakaupo. Okay? Sorry, but I have to, naglalakad din dalawa. Hindi pa nakakaupo. Paupo pa lang. Si Tim Cone, si Tim Cone, si Tim Cone. Si Tim Cone gusto namin.
Samantala, bubuuin ni Richard Del Rosario, Jongwei Chico, Josh Reyes at L.A. Tenorio ang coaching staff ni Cone. Dahil naman sa mahigpit na schedule, inaasahan ni Cone na agarang makapagsisimula ang pag-iensayo ng kanyang kupunan sa darating na Lunes. Rafael Bandayrel, PTV Sports.